So as far as travel to the Bahamas goes, this setup right here is my personal setup of what I like to use. I like to have a duffel bag versus a large rolling bag. This is going to fit onto most airlines that go through to the Bahamas and not take up too much room. It keeps me also from overpacking itself. Same with the backpack itself. I usually take my all of my important stuff, my laptop, all of my passport information, a copy of your trip insurance, and a printout of whichever lodge that you're going to with the phone numbers as well, just in case anything does get separated. It's really important to keep all of that on your backpack itself. I also, when traveling, want to make sure that you bring sunscreen and bug spray, as both of these things are not readily available at most stores in the Bahamas. I'm preferential to a sticked sunscreen so that it does not get on your hands and transfer to the line and or your flies. Easy to rub on and easy to take and put it in your backpack whenever you're on the water itself. Same with bug spray. It's really important to make sure that you're taking those two things down with you and keeping them on, as again, they are not readily available while on the islands. Thank you for joining us today here at Yellow Dog Fly Fishing for our packing list presentation for the Bahamas. If there is anything that you feel that you don't have or you're not ready to rock and roll for your next trip, give us a call and we can go over details and we can get you squared away and get it shipped out to you from the guys here at the Fly Shop.